Welcome back to the Frugal American channel. The Amish community has long been known for their self-sufficient lifestyle, and their food preservation techniques are second to none. By stockpiling these foods, you can ensure that you and your family are well prepared for any potential food shortages. Let's dive into the 24 essential Amish foods you should consider adding to your pantry. Stockpile these 24 Amish essentials. Canned green beans. These are a staple in many Amish households. Canned green beans are not only nutritious, but also versatile. You can use them in soups, stews, or simply as a side dish. The canning process ensures that they retain their nutrients and flavor for a long time. The Amish have perfected the art of canning, making sure that every jar is packed with the freshest green beans harvested at their peak. Dried corn, great for soups and cornmeal. Dried corn is another essential item. It can be ground into cornmeal for baking or used whole in soups and stews. The drying process preserves the corn, making it a long-lasting addition to your pantry. The Amish often dry their corn in the sun, a method that has been passed down through generations, ensuring that the corn retains its natural sweetness and nutritional value. Amish egg noodles. These noodles are a testament to the Amish tradition of homemade, high-quality food. Dried Amish noodles can be stored for extended periods and are perfect for a quick and hearty meal. The process of making these noodles is a labor of love, with each batch being carefully crafted and dried to perfection. Apple butter, delicious and preserved. Apple butter is a sweet spread made from slow-cooked apples. It's a delicious addition to bread, pancakes, or even as a topping for meats. The preservation process ensures that it remains flavorful and ready to use. The Amish take great pride in their apple butter, often using heirloom apple varieties to create a rich and complex flavor. Canned peaches, in syrup, yum. Canned peaches are a delightful treat. Preserved in syrup, they maintain their sweetness and can be used in desserts, salads, or eaten straight from the jar. The Amish canning process locks in the natural sweetness of the peaches, making them a favorite in many households. Pickled beets, sweet and tangy. Pickled beets are both sweet and tangy, making them a unique addition to your meals. They can be used in salads, as a side dish, or even as a snack. The Amish use a special blend of spices and vinegar to create a pickled beet that is both flavorful and nutritious. Canned tomatoes, for soups and sauces. Canned tomatoes are incredibly versatile. They can be used in soups, sauces, stews, and more. The canning process locks in their flavor and nutrients, making them a pantry essential. The Amish often grow their own tomatoes, ensuring that only the best and ripest tomatoes are used in their canning process. Dried apples, long-lasting and tasty. Dried apples are a great snack and can also be used in baking. The drying process removes moisture, making them long-lasting and easy to store. The Amish use traditional drying methods, often drying the apples in the sun or in specially designed drying racks. Homemade jam jelly, fruit preserved perfectly. Homemade jams and jellies are a delicious way to preserve fruit. They can be spread on toast, used in baking, or even as a topping for yogurt. The Amish take great care in selecting the best fruits for their jams and jellies, often using family recipes that have been passed down through generations. Chow chow, pickled veggie relish. Chow chow is a pickled vegetable relish that adds a burst of flavor to any meal. It's made from a variety of vegetables and can be used as a condiment or side dish. The Amish use a unique blend of spices and vinegar to create a chow chow that is both tangy and sweet. Lard, for cooking and baking. Lard is a traditional cooking fat that is still used in many Amish recipes. It's perfect for baking, frying, and adding richness to dishes. The Amish often render their own lard, ensuring that it is pure and free from additives. Canned chicken, versatile for meals. Canned chicken is a convenient source of protein. It can be used in soups, salads, sandwiches, and more. The canning process ensures that it remains safe to eat and flavorful. The Amish take great care in selecting the best cuts of chicken for their canning process, ensuring that each jar is packed with high-quality meat. Maple syrup, sweet and natural. Maple syrup is a natural sweetener that can be used in a variety of dishes. It's perfect for pancakes, waffles, and even as a sweetener for drinks. The Amish often tap their own maple trees, ensuring that their syrup is pure and free from additives. Canned soup, easy and ready. Canned soup is a quick and easy meal option. The Amish make a variety of soups that are canned and ready to eat, making them a convenient addition to your pantry. The Amish use fresh, high-quality ingredients in their soups, ensuring that each jar is packed with flavor and nutrition. Dried beans, hearty and nutritious. Dried beans are a staple in many households. They are nutritious, versatile, and can be stored for long periods. Use them in soups, stews, salads, and more. The Amish often grow their own beans, ensuring that only the best beans are dried and stored. Sauerkraut, fermented goodness. Sauerkraut is fermented cabbage that is rich in probiotics. It's a great addition to meals and can be used as a side dish or condiment. The Amish use traditional fermentation methods, ensuring that their sauerkraut is both flavorful and nutritious. Dried herbs, essential flavors. Dried herbs are essential for adding flavor to your dishes. The Amish dry a variety of herbs that can be used in cooking and baking. The Amish often grow their own herbs, ensuring that only the freshest and most flavorful herbs are dried and stored. Amish popcorn, for fun and snacks. Amish popcorn is a fun and tasty snack. It's perfect for movie nights or as a healthy snack option. The Amish often grow their own popcorn, ensuring that it is free from additives and preservatives. Pickled eggs, briny and colorful. Pickled eggs are a unique and colorful addition to your pantry. They are briny and can be used as a snack or in salads. The Amish use a special blend of spices and vinegar to create pickled eggs that are both flavorful and visually appealing. Vinegar, perfect for preserving. Vinegar is essential for preserving foods. The Amish use it in pickling and as a condiment. It's also great for cleaning and other household uses. The Amish often make their own vinegar, ensuring that it is pure and free from additives. Molasses, thick and sweet. Molasses is a thick, sweet syrup that can be used in baking and cooking. It's a great source of iron and adds a rich flavor to dishes. The Amish often make their own molasses, ensuring that it is pure and free from additives. Amish peanut butter spread, unique treat. Amish peanut butter spread is a unique and delicious treat. It's made with a blend of peanut butter, marshmallow fluff, and other ingredients, making it a sweet and creamy spread. The Amish often use a special blend of ingredients to create a peanut butter spread that is both flavorful and nutritious. Canned fruit pie filling, dessert ready. Canned fruit pie filling is perfect for making quick and easy desserts. The Amish make a variety of fruit fillings that are ready to use in pies, tarts, and other baked goods. The Amish use fresh, high-quality fruits in their pie fillings, ensuring that each jar is packed with flavor and nutrition. Amish wedding steak, canned meaty delight. Amish wedding steak is a canned meat product that is rich and flavorful. It's perfect for special occasions or as a hearty meal option. The Amish take great care in selecting the best cuts of meat for their wedding steak, ensuring that each jar is packed with high-quality meat. Preserved perfectly, these foods are made to last. If you have a local Amish or Mennonite store near you, these are great prepper pantry items to stockpile. Also look for similar items at your grocery store or farmer's market. By incorporating these Amish foods into your stockpile, you can ensure that you have a diverse and nutritious supply of food that will last through any potential shortages. The Amish have perfected the art of food preservation, and by following their example, you can be well prepared for whatever the future holds. The Amish use traditional methods and high-quality ingredients to ensure that their preserved foods are both flavorful and nutritious. So, start stocking up on these Amish essentials today and be prepared for any future food shortages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Frugal American channel for more tips and tricks on living a self-sufficient lifestyle. Thanks for watching.